Good morning, guys. Paul here. I haven't been doing any videos for a while. I got my finger caught in a router, momentary lapse of concentration, so be very careful when you're working with power tools. I wanted to add an oscilloscope to my tool collection here. I couldn't afford a Pico, so I got a Hantek 1008C. It's an 8-channel oscilloscope. Comes with a whole bunch of plugs. I forget what this is called. Attenuator for doing the fuel injectors, I believe. Or is that for ignition? I'm not sure. I got to familiarize myself with it. Got a couple of amp clamps. I just threw some rechargeable 9-volt batteries in there, and I loaded the disc to my laptop. So this is something I'll be doing videos on. Hopefully that'll be some useful information for you guys out there, and girls, whoever watches the channel. I also have to do brake lines on an 02 Silverado. That's going to be put off till the weather breaks, because that's going to be a lengthy endeavor there. I'll probably replace all the brake lines on that truck. And I have a couple of transmission lines to do on an 08 Impala. They were charging almost $20 for each connector. The O-rings tend to fail on them. They have a double O-ring set up on the transmission lines. Let me show you how this is. Here are the lines here. You can see they have that fitting. The O-ring, the inner O-ring seals on that, and then there's an outer O-ring on the fitting that goes to the transmission. So what I did is I bought a couple of these O-ring indexes, 419 piece metric and a 407 piece standard. I'm hoping that the O-rings that I need will be in there. If not, I guess I'll have to go to one of these hydraulics places or whatever around my area and see if I can get the proper O-rings. I just refuse to spend $20 a fitting for something when all it needs is an O-ring. So, well, guys, please give me some advice on what you would like me to do on this channel. I've been thinking about doing videos, getting one of those dry erase boards and going into the principles of engine operation and all the sensors, and just getting more into the theory on auto mechanics for anybody that hasn't had any formal training to work on these things. It really helps to really understand how they work. So let me know what you guys think. Please give a like and subscribe and help our channel grow. And remember, guys, take good care of your cars. They'll take good care of you. And maybe for some laughs, I'll have Frankie Danger in more of my videos. He's one in a million. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.